Hello everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the unexpected client behavior error in Roblox. You might see error code 629 or 689, but the steps are the same. First, try running Roblox in compatibility mode. This helps in many cases. Press the Windows key and search for Roblox Player. When it shows up, right-click on it and select Open File Location. A folder will open. Now, right-click the Roblox Player shortcut and select Properties. In the new window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for, then choose Windows 7 from the list. Also check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK. Now try launching Roblox again. If it works, you're done. If that didn't fix it, the next step is reinstalling Roblox. Press the Windows key and X key together. Click on Installed Apps from the menu. Wait for the list to load, then find Roblox Player. Click the three dots next to it, then select Uninstall. Confirm by clicking Uninstall again. Once it's removed, press the Windows key and R key together. In the Run box, type %appdata%, then press Enter. A folder will open. Look for a folder named Roblox. If it's there, delete it. Next, go to the Roblox website and log in. Click on any game to start the download. Run the installer and wait for it to finish. Then log in again and try playing a game. This should fix the problem. If the video helped you, consider subscribing, like the video and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.